Today I'm going to share with you a $1 million brand that has existed for almost a decade, but it wasn't until recently that they really started popping off. So the brand is called Sunski, and as you can see by this chart, they were not doing super hot in February, which actually kind of makes sense because it's the winter. They sell sunglasses, which you would think is extremely saturated, but now that summertime came, they are completely popping off. I mean, they literally 5x'd their monthly traffic, which probably equaled out to be a 5x in monthly revenue. Now, to me, this brand is super simple. So it's always cool to see simple brands that just stuck to their mission, even if it's something simple, and are able to succeed. This brand is very big on sustainability. Honestly, I find a really good way to see what a brand's all about is to look at their Instagram, because people's bios really reflect like the entire brand. So this best adventure sunglasses on earth, seriously sustainable, designed in California. And as you can see, they're posting a lot of like adventure type of vibes. So that's literally their vibe. It's just adventure. So that's who they appeal to, and that's what they've stuck with for the past decade. Now, I know that they've been around for a decade because this page was created in 2012. So maybe this page was created by someone else before the brand existed, but either way, they're running a lot of ads. A big reason why they're seeing a huge surge in traffic is because the majority of their traffic comes from Facebook, and on Facebook they're running a lot of ads. So I think that's one of the things that we should study here to get a good idea of what's working with this particular niche. But the last thing I want to talk about in regards to their website is just how simple it is. Honestly, you could set up something very similar to this with a simple Shopify free theme. Obviously this is very well polished, but after being in business for 10 years, you're gonna get some systems down on lock, and they got a ton of great reviews as well, which really helps a lot when it comes to converting customers. This is a really cool feature to add right here. So if you run a similar brand, like a clothing brand, a fashion brand, adding some sort of feature like this to your website, I think is really cool. You could just use this website as a template and get somebody on Fiverr to custom code it for you. By the way, guys, just as a quick little side note, if you guys haven't checked out the NetSphere school yet, we've made a lot of major upgrades. So as you can see here, you can now join NetSphere Tier 2, which basically comes with all these perks right here. So full Tier 2 Discord access. We post winning ad inspo in there every day, and we do a weekly call in there with Jonathan and I. You also get to watch some of these podcasts that we're doing live and ask whatever questions you want. And then the other announcement here is that we have the e-commerce blueprint officially out again. Now we're making constant improvements to it, so I decided to just post it and release it. And as you see here, basically it tells you everything you need to know about it. It's $197 right now, and you get lifetime access plus a bunch of other perks. So yeah, I just wanted to plug that in here real quick. I never really talk about these things, but nevertheless, they've changed a lot of people's lives, and they're products that I really stand behind. So check them out in the description. But anyways, let's take a look at some of their ads. Now, as you see, break up with your goggles. So this is actually kind of an interesting sunglass. It has these little flaps on the side, so that makes it a little bit innovative. I actually really like that. I think it looks cool. Interesting. They're also running some ads that don't even feature any glasses in it. It's just basically a vibe. It's like a banner in their recognizable brand design. Now here's a little video. Great fit, feel, and incredible quality. This is a good ad idea right here because it's just like a static image basically. It's not an actual image. You can see the waves moving, and then it just has different quotes right here. So super simple ad that anybody could make. And yeah, this is one of the ads that they're running. They're running some testimonial ads here for retargeting, which everybody should be using retargeting. It's the lowest hanging fruit for any business, especially now that you can do so much with Instagram Reels. You can retarget all of those Instagram Reel viewers. And yeah, that's basically what they're capitalizing on. As you saw, they're posting a lot on Instagram, getting good engagement on there, and running a ton of meta ads to get some cold traffic, but also to really capitalize on their existing audiences. So here's another really cool ad. It's simple, but it's vibey. You know, it's just like a cool vibe. It has, you know, a pretty girl, a cool background, you know, pretty traditional ad right here. Seriously sustainable sunglasses. So yeah, if you have a similar brand like this, again, make sure you take notes here. And that's all I got for today, guys. Remember, the Luca Nuts interview is going to be going up this week, so look forward to that. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.